Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here again. Just want to do a quick sound check. Hopefully, my sound and screen is working. Okay, before we start our section here. Now, if you are here with me, appreciate you can tap one for me, right? And help me to click the like buttons and help me to share this out. So, before we start, just a quick disclaimer: I'm not here to do any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion in this video here today, make sure you have your own trading plan, right? So if not, just use the support resistance from my this XIFU apps, okay? So well, I think first thing first, I do see some stock is pretty interesting coming up already. Some glove is moving, of course, definitely today. This morning over here, I think some of the glove counter, sorry, some of the gold counter is moving because of the gold prices, okay, going into all-time high already. So I think Tome, Pokon has some reaction. All right. So again, if you want to chase, you can do it because I think overall they are still in the pullback area. Okay, but just that overall I don't have a good luck in gold. Okay, most of the time. So that's why I rarely post. Okay, but the setup is good. Okay, I think especially for Pokon. Bursa selling price up. Bursa selling price. You means the overall Bursa is going down or what? Okay, so this one, oh, okay, looking good. Okay, Hata is looking good. Sorry, this is Hata. Yeah, Hata is looking good at this moment. Okay, at this moment. So, well, okay, let me put my pants up lah. Because actually, I still got a bit of K plus. But anyway, glove counter they follow the taiko one. The four taiko move, then they will move also lah. So far, so good. Okay, I think Hata is doing pretty well. I think that Togglove Hata, I didn't follow the rest. I follow Hata and Togglove very closely. Uh, they're actually holding very well around the 2040 MA, if you realize that. And of course, in between, they have this so-called sound strength coming up, especially for Hata. If you notice, just now got plenty, right? If you look into here, okay, we got one over here as well, over here previously, okay, and subsequently now seems like going into this main resistance, okay. So far so good. Let's look into my K plus lah. Actually, I just want to exit for my K plus, because lots of trades are right now. I think which is pretty good. I hope that I got a little bit of capital to trade for the other counters. Okay, so this one actually stuck for quite some time. Okay, but I didn't sell. The reasons why because I think they are still holding on around the accumulation, especially Tokov and Hata. Okay, so let's see how it goes lah. Hopefully it can retest the resistance. I can sell with some profits. Okay, so the other one, Pasukas. Okay, Pasukas also looks like the volume is coming up. Okay, but I'm not sure whether they can break this resistance or not. But so far so good. We're only into this first 30 minutes of today over here, right? But volume is pretty high for me. Okay, it's high for me. It's not very high. It's high. Okay, hopefully it will come in later on towards the end of the day. Okay, so hopefully it able to cross. This is the main resistance they need to cross. 195 to 20 cents. Okay, this is the area they need to cross. Okay, now this one actually I get to know something is going on. Okay, but again, sometimes info and news doesn't mean it's correct most of the time. Just like I think I explained on HM. Okay, so for those that who follow HM, I leave up to you. But for me, I think I already shared like 1 or 2 months ago. I did cut loss already. Okay, now sometimes news and info is a different thing. Okay, but chart tell you different things. Okay, so for me is that I do sometimes follow some info and news, but at the same time I follow chart. Okay, if chart tell me different thing, which means I need to be careful. Okay, but so far I see this is a nice pullback zone. Okay, you notice here one completion holding well, second completion now started to move up. Okay, from here. Okay, so these two strength signal telling me that this one still maybe still gonna show. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, if you want to enter right now, I think your risk to reward is a bit high. Okay, I think I Pasuka from time to time I do post in Telegram. If you're able to follow around like 175, 170, there will be a good area. Okay, to look into. Okay, Gadang. Okay, I look into Gadang lah. So let me know any other counters you want me to look into. Okay, I will check that out before I go into some pullback stock, upcoming pullback stock. So again, just want to look into some stocks that I'm having. If you're following, you can actually follow this as well. Okay, just want to do a quick update. So Hexa Retail still in the pullback. Okay, I don't think it's an issue. Okay, I think a lot of people also follow Pestec. Okay, but Pestec, nothing to update lah. It's just like Malakoff is just like Hexa Retail. I think nothing to update. Yes, it's dropped today. Okay, but for me, as long as it dropped below volume, again, I don't think it's a big things to worry about. Okay, I'm not sure what is your entry price. Okay, probably you enter somewhere around here. Yes, you need to be worried. Okay, so like I said, sometimes you have to check out your so-called risk to ratio loh. Okay, if you enter here, pull back, yeah lah, you need to tahan a little bit lah. But my entry is somewhere around here. Okay, I think my first time posted out when the price goes up, I say reversal is coming. Okay, pull back somewhere around this zone is good to monitor. Okay, so this is the area that actually I look into. Okay, over here, again we got a setup called COC. Okay, we got a setup called COC before it goes up. Okay, so what I think they will test again the 20 MA. Okay, but I think overall the pullback setup here is still pretty healthy for me. Okay, so I got nothing to worry about. Okay, so yes, the profit reducing a little bit. Okay, the profit reducing a little bit, but I will see how it goes. Okay, maybe the next time we hit this resistance area, I would consider partial profit. The rest just try to let it run. Okay, so the other one is NGGB, also quiet already. Okay, but I think they are in a good area. I think they are in a very good area. Again, I'm not doing any buy call. I'm not doing any buy call. So yeah, this one I think they are in a very good area already. Okay, now if you want to have a confirmation, you can wait for pullback setups. Okay, so what it means by pullback setup, this kind of green arrow. Okay, somewhere around here, probably it will appear. I don't know. Okay, it probably will appear just like I share what counters already. Like Hata lah, all those lah. It come with the pullback signals, then it slowly go into the resistance. Okay, so I leave it to you whether you want to wait for that or not. Okay, sometimes I wait to have a better confirmation. Like I think I mentioned about G-Tronic as well in Telegram of past few days ago. So I was waiting over here. Okay, actually I almost entered G-Tronic, but I told myself I had to wait for the pullback. Okay, because maybe few things. First, my capital stuck ready in some stocks. Okay, some sideway like Hexa Retail. I'm still waiting for them to break up. My capital is a bit limited. So I don't want to buy and wait for this sideway. Okay, so I want to wait for a pullback complete, but it didn't happen and it goes lower. Okay, so sometimes wait for pullback completes is good also because you know that potentially there is a continuation coming in, but of course maybe your risk to reward is not that good because pullback complete most of the time come with up bar. All right. So again, if you understand so far, okay, if you like my section so far, again, help me to support me by clicking the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Okay, just want to know who is here by typing a 1 for me as well. Okay, so that I know you are here. All right. So Gadang, Pharma, Niaga. Okay, Pharma, Niaga, I didn't check out for quite some time already. Okay, let's take a look. AYS, App Asia. App Asia, I think got some movement right this morning. Okay, EduSpec. Okay, we're going to EduSpec as well. Okay, so just want to finish up some of my counters here. Okay, K plus I think we're done already. ECMO also a little bit of disappointing yesterday. I thought you're gonna close up nicely, but tak jadi lah. But overall, I think the setup still good. Just that it rejected resistance. I think it will retest on the support again. Okay, so just going to be a little bit patient. But this one probably I will also consider partial profit, take my capital out, and then I'll move to the other as well. So let's do Opstar. Opstar Kobe, for me, I'm still holding. Potentially for me, I want to look for long term for this. Okay, this one nothing changed. It's just a sideways with a shakeout. Okay, Kobe. Let's do into Kobe. Hopefully got some movement as well for today. Okay, nothing also. Okay, hopefully afternoon later on I got some things. SKP Resources, VS that also boring, but they are in a very nice uptrend, holding very, very well. Okay, this one I think we enter somewhere around this pullback here. So okay, small profits as well. So VS Tech, let's into VS Tech. Wangtel, I plan to exit today. Okay, so for those that who following Wangtel, because they actually break below again the 2040. Actually, long-term wise is good for Wangtel. Okay, long-term trend is actually still good. But just that I feel that it's going to take some time. So that's why I plan to switch my stocks. Okay, so if you got patient one, probably you can look into that. But I say I want to try to switch my counters ready. Okay, so probably I will exit from Wangtel for now. Okay, so let's look into your counters. Okay, do let me know any stock you want me to look into by comment below. Okay, so first Gadang. Gadang is a bit like similar ECMO. So here we got a shooting star. Normally shooting star with high volume, the resistance a bit stubborn one. Okay, so sometimes it will retest few round. Uh, Maybe I'm not sure. Okay, maybe it will retest back to 20 again before break. Okay, if you are looking for short term, again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, but if you are looking for short terms, resistance is there already. This shooting star here and R1 is very close. I'm not sure what is your entry price. If you enter around here, then nothing to take profit. If you enter somewhere around this area over here, then I think still got something. You can consider partial profits, okay, and then the rest let you run. Just like I'm planning to do for my ECMO as well, okay, because it hit already. It seems like can't break. All right, you take profit, lock some first. If pullback, I think okay. If let's say healthy pullback, you can always top up. If let's say it break above, you still got half, right? If let's say it drop, it didn't make a follow through, at least you can lock some profit. Okay, you exit later on. Okay, so overall, I think it's still fine. Okay, but just that I saw here got a little bit of resistance. Here also got high volume down bar. Okay, so maybe it's gonna to take a while. Okay, before it cross. Okay, so that's my opinion for Gadang at this moment. Pharma Niaga. Let's look into Pharma Niaga. I didn't check out for quite some times. Oh, I didn't realize they're coming back. Okay, previously we trade before lah, but this one kena film round already, so that's why I didn't follow very closely after that. Okay, I think they are doing a nice shakeout again. Okay, this is another nice shakeout patterns. A big shakeout, huh? This is a big shakeout. Okay, here first round, fail. Okay, now this is a big one. Okay, they are coming back already. Okay, I think overall is good for pharma in terms of long term trend because they are trying to close back on this gap here, and here got a shakeout. So okay, of course, main resistance I think somewhere around R2 area. Okay, or maybe around this area, 50 cents area. I think it's good to focus. Okay, risk to reward wise, I don't think it's good anymore. Okay, if you are looking for entry, but if you enter previous settings, still okay. Just watch out on this resistance, or maybe it's the area for you to lock some profit if you already entered this trades. Okay. All right, so I got 18 people right now. Okay, but I didn't get likes. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, if let's say you like my section here every morning, you like my daily updates over here. Again, help me to support me by clicking a like buttons for me. Yeah, and just help me to share this out, okay, so that we have more viewers, okay, moving forward. Thank you very much. Okay, so okay, now AYS overall is in accumulation. Okay, I think over the all the steel related counter is still good, but just that sometimes a bit boring. Now it's a bit quiet. Okay, now it's a bit quiet. Okay, now this one overall still in accumulation. Okay, now one thing about AYS, okay, one thing about AYS is this. Okay, they are trading very close with this gap down. Okay, so yeah lah. Normally for me, I don't like gap down. I don't like gap down because gap down is an area that not to say they cannot cross, but it's an area that is a bit tough for them to cross. Okay, it's gonna take some time. So if you want to enter, expect some sideway. Okay, in this area here, maybe sometimes they will hit. Like for example here, sometimes they will hit already, pull back again, maybe hit already and then pull back again, hit already, pull back again. Okay, I think previously R1 Tech also got this before they break above the gaps. Okay, so well, if you are looking for somehow about longer term, okay, if I zoom out over here, okay, actually overall they're in a nice accumulation. Okay, just that this resistance probably needs some time to cross. Okay, so let's go into App Asia. Today a lot of people look at App Asia. Okay, App Asia, okay, yesterday pullback completes. Okay, if you notice over here, okay, yesterday pullback completes. Okay, small gap up, hold well, good sign. Okay, so you get a gap up, pullback complete, overall is a good sign for App Asia. Okay, again, one thing's only that I don't like this chart. All right, over here, high volume shooting star. Okay, high volume shooting star, strong resistance. Okay, high volume shooting star, strong resistance. Okay, but again, doesn't mean they cannot break. But sometimes hit here, drop again, hit here, drop again, and then few round. Okay, they do few round before they cross. Okay, I think I shared with you previously like JCY. Okay, somewhere around here as well. If you notice, okay, big shooting star. Okay, so that's why the time I didn't enter because I don't like this kind of candle. Okay, So sometimes what you do is that you drag. Okay, you drag few round. Okay, you drag few round before they break above. Okay, so you can enter, but first of all, you must check the gaps. Okay, make sure you hold. Okay, this will be your support stop loss level. Expect months like JCY. Okay, for them to make a follow through. Okay, so again, that's just my opinions. So okay, EduSpec. That's in the EduSpec. EduSpec. Okay, nice pullback. I have to say that. Okay, nice uptrend pullback, slow and steady type counters. If you got patient, I think it's no issue. Okay, so use S1 as your support level 150. I think it's a nice support area to focus. This exactly over here S1. Now previously here also got a pullback complete. Okay, let me just zoom in so you can see better. So here also we got one pullback completes, right? Okay, so again you can use this pullback complete candle as a support candle. Okay, so use your strength candle as a support candle. Okay, so as long as it stay above this line, I think is okay lah. Even in range trading, I think also provide you a very good opportunity lah. This is the somewhere around 180 area, or maybe you can check out this area also. Okay, for so-called potential tail profits. Okay, for EduSpec. Okay, so LHI, let's turn to LHI. Okay, LHI, okay, gap area lah, gap area lah. So this is the gap area, so sometimes a bit slow and steady one. But overall, I think okay. Right, so if you look into short-term trend over here, okay, they crossed 2040, pull back. Okay, this is a strong sign of pullback completes. Okay, now heading to the resistance. Okay, of course, volume wise, I think still okay lah, not too high, not too low, average. So sometimes probably will do a little bit pullback before it goes up. Okay, trend still good, short term wise. Okay, trend still good. Not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, of course now it's close to resistance. Best is that you try to enter near S1. Okay, so let's look into Marco. Yeah, Systeg was already out already, but I didn't follow after I exit. Okay, so I'm not sure this is due to gap down or adjustment. Okay, because some chart nowadays got this bonus issue, so got adjustment. But if let's say this is a gap down, not a good sign. Okay, if this is a gap down, not a good sign. But previously also got gap up, gap down. This chart a bit funny one. Okay, so looking into here, I cannot see any sellable. This is for Wong, Wong L Chin. Looking for entry exit. But you have to tell me that this one is due to certain price adjustment, or maybe it's a gap down. It's gap down. I don't think it's a good sign. Okay, I don't think it's a good sign. Maybe yes, we'll do a technical rebound. Okay, but normally I don't like gap down, break below support time. Okay, so let's look at the MGB. Okay, Inari looking for TP. Oh, looking for EP. Wow, you like this kind of counting, Wong? Okay, personally, this is not my cup of tea, okay, for Marco. Okay, if you want to, okay, let's check out again. Okay, let's check. Oh, okay, dividend 2 cents. Okay, then that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, this is previously from 19 cents, dropped to 17 cents. Okay, so this is a dividend of 2 cents, like you mentioned. Okay, good. At least I know. But even though it's a gap down here, this one also dropped quite a lot. Okay, volume definitely now is coming back already. I can tell here got some volume coming back. But in terms of candle wise, I don't see there is active candles. Again, not my cup of tea. Okay, not my cup of tea. I don't really know how to advise because it's a setup usually I won't look into. Okay, unless I see a more clearer so-called patterns coming up. Okay. So okay, now let's look into MGB. Oh, trying to cross back to the this is the 20 MA line already. Sorry, this is 40 MA line. Okay. So okay, now previously here is a nice support area, but unfortunately they fail. Okay, now the next support is somewhere around this level over here. Okay, a good area. Actually, here is also a good shakeout area. Okay, now this is what we call forced breakout, which means they try to break out but they fail to hold. Okay, which is the current resistance. Okay, So here is a period support, but they fail, drop back, shake up, pushing back. Okay, MGB, okay, MGB. I think that support wise, I still feel that there's got some sellers coming in to support, but here looks like a lot of resistance. Okay, so what you do if you're really keen, okay, not sure you're looking for entry exit right now. Okay, I think entering near this line, this support area here, is good to ensure your risk to reward is still there. Okay, so over here, if let's say you see shooting star again, uh, good time to take some profits. Okay, good time to take some profits. Okay, because here got false breakout. Normally, my experience with false breakout is that again, it's gonna take time for them to make a follow through because false breakout, which means they're still sellers. Okay, they're still sellers, but good thing is that they do a shakeout lah. Okay, so usually you got seller at resistance. Normally, operator will try to remove seller from support. Okay, so this telling me that the buyer is still keen. Okay, but just that we cannot ensure the seller has been removed at resistance. Okay, so sometimes it will still sideways in this range. Okay, you understand? If you understand this theory, type a 1 for me, please. If you understand this theory, type a 1 for me, please. Okay, so okay, now since that after I exit, I didn't really follow. I just don't like them to break below again with this candle here. Okay, maybe, okay, thank you, Joanne. Maybe they will do another round shakeout. I'm not sure, but yeah lah, so far I just don't like it. Okay, so over here, this is the BSD, this is the resistance, which is the current resistance as well at R1. Okay, like I said, I don't like this kind of candle. Okay, normally rejection with high volume, telling me that there is a sellers. Okay, there's a sellers. Okay, here maybe we do a shakeout like this area here. Later on they'll push back. Okay, but now haven't happened yet lah, so I don't want to comment first. Okay, so for me, if I want to enter, I wait for shakeout complete to ensure that the buyer is still controlling the stocks. Okay, right now I haven't really seen that. Okay, resistance is still very strong. That's why I decided to exit. Okay, from Systech, I think like few months, last month. Yeah, last month. Okay, so let's look into for Inari looking for TP. Okay, Inari still going up slow and steady. Okay, R2 area, I think okay. Now this one need to switch to weekly already lah. Okay, weekly chart. Yeah, somewhere around here. The next resistance for the four ringgit right now actually is almost close already. Next one is 428 lah. 428 area is the next resistance area. Is it? Let's see. Yeah, 428 area lah is the next resistance area to watch out. Okay, so this is if you are looking for potential TP area. Okay, so all right, I think I covered most of it already. Okay, KSL, yeah, this morning actually I checked KSL. Yesterday we test support. Okay, today go up a little bit if not mistaken. Overall for me still good. Okay, if you ask me, still good. Okay, so 195, your entry is 195. 195, wait lah. 195, what's going on with my chart? Why all this missing already? Okay, never mind. 195, I think is somewhere around this area. I think it's good. Yesterday you enter at Wong. Okay, so now again, pullback completes. You can use the method here. This is the pullback complete candles. Okay, this is the main crucial support 190. Okay, so anything above here, I think the setup still solid. Okay, still valid. Okay, the pullback still valid. All right, so well, today up bust, which means still holding well for me. Okay, no much issue for KSL. Okay, any other stocks for me to look into or last week? Okay, yeah, so far still good. So far still good. Okay, any other stock you want me to look into? If not, I probably go into my so-called this pullback list. Okay, let's see anything that is interesting. Then we'll end our section here, yeah? So, okay, Presta. Let's do Presta. Oh, Presta is macam shakeout also. Some macam shakeout also. This one is a bit similar like just now what counters already. I forgot. Just now I got review one counters. Yeah, I forgot. Never mind. Okay, so here, false breakout. What counters really? Just I mentioned about false breakout. Okay, false breakout. Okay, here, shake out. Okay, so notice here after force breakout, right? One round shake out, they try, fail again, high volume down bar, drop, shake out again, and now holding well. Okay, so sometimes force breakout will have this issue lah. Okay, doesn't mean they are not good, but just that sometimes they hit already, drop. Yeah, I think MGB, correct. Okay, thank you, Joanne. So now volume coming back again, so which means buyer probably are supporting around this area again. So again, a good stop for you to do range trading. But sometimes you need to check the range lah. If let's say the range is only 5%, I think no worth to try lah. If let's say got 10, 15% above things, I think it's okay. But let's say this range is too small, nothing much to check actually. Okay, so let's look into Mohiba. Okay, this is for Hong. Okay, Mohiba also some things that I started feel don't really like it is this candle here. This down bar high volume candle. All right, so this one have to be careful a bit. Okay, so if you want to trade, I think it's okay. So you use this candle over here. Okay, I think this candle over here ngam at S1 also. Okay, so this is the level that they need to hold as support. If let's say break below, which means it's a continuation of downtrend already. Okay, so you use this S1 here as a potential support. Okay, normally if let's say see top, there are two types coming from top, drop down by high volume. It's a weakness sign. Okay, but if let's say they can reverse, it's a good sign. Okay, a bit confusing, but let me share with you. This is again a good example. Double high volume. Okay, but this is during the pullbacks. Okay, this is during the pullbacks. Okay, so it drop here, reverse up. Okay, then this is a good sign. But if let's say price cannot cross this level back, this is something that you need to be worried sometimes. Okay. All right, let's look into YBS. Wow, YBS after that shoot up, I didn't follow also. Okay, YBS looks like still holding well. Okay, on this candle over here, slightly a bit far from 2040 for me already, but nowadays markets still can keep going up like EG also. So okay, now a few things to look into. Okay, I think S1 is crucial. Here also we got one more strength coming in, so very close with S1 also. So this level must hold. So as long as hold above this level, I think it's still got some momentum. Okay, so here got some down bar, yes, the next day, but overall low volume, so I don't think there's much sellers going on in YBS based on current chart setups. Okay, WCT also gaining momentum, but I didn't check today because I don't have it. Okay, so here, okay, yesterday shooting star, today still closing up above. I think okay, right? So one, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit or you're still holding. Normally shooting star candle like this and price trading at shadow is a good sign. Okay, so for example here, not exactly, but example, this is upper shadow. If price trading at shadow here is a good sign. So again, example, okay, trading around this area here, again, it's a good sign. Okay, so that's good one for WCT. Okay, any other stocks? Okay, Tome, I think, okay, like I say, following all the gold counters. Okay, following all the gold counters. So, Presta, Mohiba, PGF. Okay, PGF got lots of strength. This one also can watch out. Okay, but I don't have capital to trade anymore. Okay, so here got lots of strength, right exactly at this S1 level. Okay, so this one, if you want to, you can watch out as well. P Energy. Okay, P Energy also got lots of strength. Okay, so here. Okay, here we got 1, 2. Okay, so here also, so we got plenty of strength, again, exactly at S1 right now. Okay, any others? Chubi, but Chubi, I think the volume, illiquid tak payah lah. SSB8, okay, SSB8. Wow, yesterday pullback complete. Today challenging R1 already. Okay, slow and steady type. Okay, yesterday pullback complete lah. So again, if you know, if you saw this pullback complete, I think it's very straightforward. Okay, here low of pullback complete, you set stop loss. Okay, again, exactly at very close with S1 right now. Okay, very close to S1 right now. Again, use the S1, S2 trading plan in XIFU to help you out. Okay, if not, use the strength candle. Low of the strength candle will be your so-called support level. Okay, so SSBF looks good. We pullback complete yesterday. Any others? Hey, Oga Bio coming back. Let's see. Volume still lag a bit. Okay, tak apa lah. We check afternoon. Maybe the volume will come in later on. Okay, if let's say there's no any other stocks, probably I will end my section here today. Okay, so again with this, once again, thank you for joining me okay in this section here. So if you like my section, help me to click the like button, help me to share this out, please, and I'll see you again tomorrow.